How to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing for beginners. And this is a new strategy. Now I'm going to take you step by step. I'm going to hold your hand and take you step by step and show you exactly what the top affiliates in the world do to generate $15,000 to $50,000 a month. And just a disclaimer, I'm not saying that you will make $15,000 or $50,000 or even $1 a month. I just want to make that clear. Simply because I don't know you, I don't know your work habits, and I don't know if you're going to follow the instruction that I'm going to give you. And I'm going to take you step by step to show you the top affiliate marketers in the world, what they are doing, how's their blueprint look like. And you're going to be able to do the exact same thing. And I'm going to show you all that on my screen so you can follow along. There will be no plugin for you to purchase a course. This is totally free of charge. All I ask is to drop a like, subscribe, and make sure to share this video with someone that you care about, because I promise you it's going to change their life. Hello, Mark Daniels here, and I want to welcome you to this video. How to make money with affiliate marketing for beginners, new strategy. Yes, this is a new strategy. You've never seen it before. Nobody talks about it on YouTube ever. This is all going to be new to you. And these are the same secrets that top affiliates practice. This is something that I thought about either releasing, or I was like, maybe I shouldn't release it. But you know what? I see a lot of YouTube channels or a lot of YouTube videos out there. Nobody gives something worth of value. Everybody wants to take away from you. Hardly anybody want to give something of value. So if you want more of these type of videos, and if you think that they will help you reach your goals, please give a thumbs up. This is more like it's like a vote to let me know that you want more of these things. If I don't get enough votes, I'm not going to be making videos. So if these videos are of value to you, vote to let me know that this is something that you want. And make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and share this with somebody that you care about, because you can't find this unless you buy a very expensive course. Like I mentioned, I have nothing to sell you. Nothing is for sale. So let's go ahead and get started here. We're going to go by something very important. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, there are a few things that you have to understand, and you have to understand this. If you don't understand it, please rewind and see it again. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Most people fail in the affiliate marketing space because they do a lot of things that I'm going to cover here. One of them is the amateur method. What I'm talking about here is very simple. This is what most people do because that's what they hear on YouTube video, and they just go out there and they just all do the same exact thing. They buy traffic, they buy one product, and then they get paid. This is amateur method. You're not taking under consideration what you are doing. If you want to do this for a long term, if you want to do this for your business, do not do this at all. Stay away from it, because that's what everybody is doing. I'm going to show you secrets, top affiliate practice to become successful. Okay, there's a pro method. You spend money one time you get traffic, and then instead of getting paid one time, you're going to be getting paid multiple times by selling one time. You get paid every single month on some of these products. And I'm going to reveal this to you in this video. So make sure to stay tuned to the end and not miss anything. For example, I call it a product stacking. For example, let's say you have access to these products right here, affiliate products. Obviously, if you don't know what affiliates is, you want to go and watch lots of my videos. I would probably watch all of them, because the value in that is probably, it's going to make you a lot of money and make you successful. And remember, success is very important, because money is byproduct of success, not the other way around. So make sure to do that. Like for example, like these right here, if you sell them one time, you'll be getting paid every single month without doing anything at all. I'm going to show you how that is done, so make sure you stay tuned for everything. Now there's one thing that you have to understand, and there's no way around it. I have talked about it before, but I guess people didn't really pay a lot of attention to it for a reason or another. I'm going to go ahead and explain this to you a little bit more. The most important thing and the most profitable companies in this world, I call them the connector companies, or the connector model type of a company. What I mean by that is that they don't buy anything, they don't manufacture anything, they don't produce any product, but they just sit there and make money. I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. Now, for example, if you want to take a vacation, it happens, I want to take a vacation, myself and my family or my colleagues and my wife, first go to the airport, then I want to get, stay in some nice place. What would I do? Call Uber. Uber is a connector. Okay, it connects two people, two things. It connects the people of what they want. What do they want to do? They want to go to the airport. So this is a connector. Now, you probably underestimate Uber. Uber is, they own 0 cars. They don't own any cars at all. They don't have inventory. They don't have all that. All they do is connect two things together. Driver uses his own or her own vehicle to do that. So all they do is connect the two together. This is the most powerful concept for any type of business. Uber is, in case you don't know, the biggest transportation company in the face of the earth, and they own no vehicles. The other one, let's say you want to go ahead, like I mentioned, you want to go and you want to get a house or get an apartment or whatever you want to do because you're going on vacation, you want to go and get a house. The idea is this. Okay, what I do is same thing. The connector is Airbnb, because Airbnb did connect the owner of this property and you or me. Airbnb, they own 0 real estate. All they do is connect you with the owner and they get paid. So how is that going to apply to you? You have to think you are a connector. Here's you. What you want to do, you want to connect the people that have a problem with a solution that they seek. So you are providing a solution by connecting them with the right vendor that provides that particular solution through affiliate marketing. What I'm talking, you are the affiliate marketer. You don't create the product. The product is already created by the vendor, not you. Of course, you do it online right here. You got to think of yourself as the connector. Now, it's very important to understand that the products that you are promoting, they have to be in a booming industry. You have to find a platform, and I've talked about which one before, and I showed you exactly where to go to get a world-class products or services that are already in high demand in the marketplace, because in order for you to succeed, you have to have that. Affiliates are connectors. Now you're probably wondering, okay, there are vendors and there are customers, and you are the affiliate. You are connecting the two and you're making the money at the same time. Let's try to go back right here. You're making the money at the same time. You have to think of yourself as a connector. I'm going to tell you why here in a little bit, because you have to position yourself in a winning place, which is, that's what I'm going to be talking about. The top affiliates, the reason they make a lot of money, because they know where they position themselves. People looking for solutions. And then what you have, companies with product delivering solutions, and the internet. You have an internet, and the internet is reaching now more people than it ever did before, and it will continue to do so. You want to position yourself right here in the middle. The other thing that you really have to think about is that top affiliates do not sell products. You do not sell a product. I don't want to hear from you that you are selling a product. You are not selling a product, because if you start thinking that you are selling a product, well, guess what? is going to be a problem. Okay, people looking for solutions, they are not looking for product. But you might tell me, well, they might be looking for a drill. That's a product. Well, it's not. They buy the drill not because they want a drill, it's just because they want to put a hole in that wall. They have a problem that they want a solution, and the drill comes in the form of a solution. You will find a solution for them. Obviously, you would go to the vendors that you have, and I told you where to go to find good products. You are a solution finder, not a product delivery guy. Okay, and that's how you get paid. Now, this is the most important thing. And then if you get this point, if you get this slide right here, you would know more than 97% of the people out there. And I'm not exaggerating at all. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about this. Now, you have two things here that are going for you. You have value and you have a price. Again, what do you have? You have value and then you have a price. Here's the value and here's the price. You want to increase the price by increasing your value. How are we going to do that? We're going to do it in two ways. Now, one of them is a continuity type of a monthly, which produces one of the most effective, and most of the people that become millionaires, they have residual income that shows up because they have done one action that could be year, 2 or 3 or 4, which I'm still getting paid for some things that I have done years back. Why? Because the people, they are still doing that. Now, you're probably talking about what that could be. I can't tell you exactly what would be because I don't know your niche. Again, if you don't know what niche is and how to get the best niche, make sure to watch my video. I have a video with a 27 ready to go niches, and I'm not talking about a niche. I'm talking about sub niche, micro niches. You have to have that in order for you to succeed. Now, the one that you see right over here, as far as monthly billing, if somebody is interested, for example, in digital marketing or doing maybe selling courses online, this could be an autoresponder, which I told you which one is the best one, and you can make money off of that as an affiliate marketer. What happens each time that person is paying for his software? The other one here could be a hosting platform, and then the other one could be a funnel software. The one that you see up here, what I'm going to show you here, I'm going to show you some really awesome way to make money. You're going to have an affiliate product ladder. Now, what I'm going to do and what I have experimented with, and it was very, very successful, is this. First of all, you would sell them something that is not that expensive. Give them a product that they can relate to. But one thing you have to keep in mind that it depends on your niche. So whatever you have here as far as monthly income, this is very powerful because you can increase it. I was going to show you the numbers, but I don't want to get you confused. For example, if you sold 50, for example, autoresponder, and then the next month you sold 60, so they accumulate and they start making more money. It depends what you're selling, but there is a correlation between what you are selling right here as far as the product and the monthly, because this is supposed to support this. Otherwise, it would not work. So that's why you need a micro niche. Now, the other thing that you need to do is, after a while, they're ready for something different, because right now they go, I benefited from that. And that's why I have, how to start, how to succeed in affiliate marketing video that I have on YouTube, because I don't want you to fall a prey for something that is junk. Okay, so you would sell them something a little bit higher. Now, after that, what would you do? You would sell them something even higher. Here's, of course, these are like, I have them here as like money representation. Here is like, of course, cheaper than this. And this one right here, cheaper than this. And then you would go back again for something even higher. Now, you can even go higher than that if you want to. That would require a little bit of knowledge from your part. But if you are selling, for example, some of these, you don't have to have. I would recommend you starting with 2 when you start right here. Then you will add more. then you would, at the same time, you would be like pursuing. And I told you where to go and what to do and how to find the best product with one click of a button. In case you're not aware of that, please make sure to go, and I'll probably put it in the description as far as the videos that you need to have knowledge about. So everything right here, again, I'm going to say it again because I don't know what your niche is, but whatever you're selling, these are continuity, which is produce residual income, and that residual income could be $50,000 a month every single month for things that you have done in the past. But it's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take some time. But at the same time, you are doing two things because you want to have more like a portfolio of business. And I thought that when I used to have my consulting company, this is what I used to kind of like tell the businesses exactly what they need to do. You cannot depend on one thing. And most of these affiliate marketers, they are depending on one product or maybe two, and they go back and forth, and they don't have this because you need to have a continuity. You need to have a residual income that is coming every single month. So make sure you understand this and make sure that you are familiar with all the information that I have told you before and I have taught you before, because I have taught you a whole lot of stuff. The stuff that I have in my YouTube channel, it's worth a lot of money. And some people telling me, why are you giving all this stuff away? Well, it's just because I want to. But it's very important from your part to let me know that this is helping you. Otherwise, if it's not helping you, I'm not going to continue to keep doing that. Okay, this is exactly what you need to do. This is what the top affiliates do, and they understand everything that we talked about. You have to be a connector, never sell any product. You're not in the product selling, you're in the solution selling. When you start thinking about that, and when you start thinking that this is a business, this is not a hobby, this is something that you are building your business on. Like I mentioned before, and if you still remember my teaching, I told you what? I told you never ever depend on the power of one. Now you know why. Never depend on the power of one. And that's why people are successful, people are not. When you listen to what I'm saying, so you become successful because are you depending on one product? The power of one basically is like, I already have maybe one job and this is one income. I look at it, hell with the job. It's an income that you are producing, but you got to have something on the other side. You got to have something different. And nowadays, you should not trust the companies. You should start doing your own business on the side and start to build it slowly until you reach the point where you don't need anybody. You only need yourself. So you don't have the power of one. There's a lot of power right here in this slide. I hope you understand it. I really do, because I am giving you a lot of information that will help you in your endeavor. So if you like this video, please subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to share this video with someone you care about. And I'll see you at the top.